Hello guys! Anyway, updated ko lang kayo. But before that, let's do some time check. It's 4:02. Anyway, today is Thursday. But I look so haggard kasi guys, ang init ngayon sa trabaho. Talagang super init. But today is Thursday and I worked 10 hours today. Yay! And then ang updated ngayon ay magmamadali akong umuwi, mag-get ready because my oldest son is coming home. Yay! Yes. He go to college and then there's opportunity at Spain, sa Spain. I know Philippines get colonized, like ang Espanya, they trying to colonize Philippines, if I'm right. Kaya nga 'di ba ang Pilipinas marunong mag-Spanish. Yung mga pagkain natin, diyan natin nakuha yung ating mga pangalan at last name. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yun yung alam ko. I'm not expert in history, but I try. Please don't judge me. But anyway, yun lang ang updated today. Mag-get ready tayo, magmamadali tayong umuwi at pipick upin natin si JR. So see you guys later. Hello guys. Oops. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kanina nung paalis kasi umuulan. But anyway, papunta na kami sa airport. Ayan, mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo ano yung itsura ng airport dito sa Indiana. Abangan nyo mamaya. Malapit na tayo guys. Ha? Ang kasama ko pala guys yan, si June at si Jason Kulit. Anyway, dito na tayo. Ayan. Indianapolis, malapit na. Ang dami niya guys, solar panel. Puro lahat yan, solar panel.
Arrive at Indianapolis International Airport. Arrived.
Arrive, we're here.
Push the blue button for a ticket.
Please take the parking ticket. Please enter following the guidance.
Puro high-tech na guys dito. Anyway, we're here at Indianapolis Airport. Already! Nandito na tayo, nakapark na tayo. Pasok na tayo sa loob. Ang ingay, no? Let's go. Oh, diba? Excited ako. Anyway, guys, tignan nyo yung itsura dito. Oops. Simple lang, guys, ang ano dito. Ang parking lot. I think nasa taas. I don't know what floor we're at. I don't know what floor we're at. Hey, don't forget, we're on the E-Green, level 3. Nandun yung mga kasama ko. Oh, punta na tayo, guys. Asa si daddy mo?
Nakani?
Oh. Anyway, we're on the, ano, di ba? Level 3. Yeah, so hopefully hindi namin makalimutan na. Ayan. At dahil syempre we're lazy, look at Jason.
That Range Rover there. Look at that Range Rover.
Hopefully next year makauwi naman tayo. O, diba? Oh, natakot ako. Anyway, yeah. Hopefully next year. Sure naman natin makauwi ng Pilipinas. Okay guys, nandito na tayo sa tinatawag nilang ground transportation. Gulo ako guys, palagi na ng gulo. Para lang kami bibili ng ano guys, ng tinapa. So,
Okay.
palaging ganyan ang itsura namin. Hindi kami na nagpo-forma-forma. Walang forma-forma dito. Simple lang ang mga tao dito guys. O, ito yung itsura guys sa loob. Ayan na naman guys. Katamaran natin. Simple lang. Hindi na akong madapa. Ayan guys yung ano.
Drop off a speak up for them. Drop off a green. Speak up for them. You said it's ready to that, yeah.
Pag ano guys, pag halimbawa aalis kami, papunta kami ng ano, ng Pilipinas, dyan ang drop off. See that, those cars? Yan, nandun yung door. Tapos ida-drop off dyan. Wee! Dyan guys. Next year, hopefully, cross finger tayo next year. Where are we gonna wait? Upstairs? Dadaw tayo sa taas. Yay, we're here.
I got seen a bottle over there. Probably after TSA. I don't know about in the food court.
Ayan yung guys. So ito guys, yung aming simple airport sa Indiana. Very, very basic, very, very simple. Tingnan natin. Mag-itutur ko kayo. Sana walang magsita sa atin. But anyway, ito lang yung simple airport dito sa amin.
The second one.
Who? JR?
Yeah, 752.
Saan? Where?
Second row from the top. It says Delta in
Oh.
Atlanta. 7:52 p.m. says delayed.
Oh my God. What time the arrival dapat?
You want to buy me a picture shirt? I mean, that's it.
Jason, tignan natin yung ano,
Let's
aeroplano.
go look at. Let's go look at.
Yeah. Let's go, Jason.
Look, make sure the IU's on.
Yeah. I like that.
Hey, they have a Chick-fil-A. I didn't know that.
Yeah. Ito guys, yung ano, yung logo ni JR, si Kuya. That's his logo right there. Come on, Jason, stand up there. Is that your future school? Wow. Let me see. Huy, just let me see. Hold on. steady. You don't have to move, silly. Ito guys, yung airport sa amin. I'm trying not to talk too loud kasi syempre, di ba? Nakakaya naman. Oh, ito lang guys, simple lang. Simple lang yung, ayan yung food court guys. That's the food court right there. Very simple. Hindi naman siya sobrang, ano, big. Oh, ayan lang. Very, very simple. Asan na si Jason? Where's Jason? Nawanan ako ng anak ko. I don't know where he went. I don't see him. Bahala siya. Tingnan natin yung ano, mga aeroplano. By the way guys, ano, na-delay si JR, delay si Kuya. Dapat yung arrive niya dito sa Indianapolis dapat 7 o'clock. Tapos ngayon naging 7:30 and I don't know what's next. Siyempre, pag naglanding siya ng 7:30, ilang minuto pa yung mag-i-stay doon. So, it's okay, dito lang tayo. Okay naman, wala namang problema. Nakakamiss guys yung eroplano, oh. Di bali, baka next year makauwi din tayo. Yay! Oh. Ang dami siyang mga eroplano guys. Pakita ko sa inyo guys yung buong kabuuan ng ano, ng airport. Pakita ko sa inyo guys anong itsura niya. Ayan lang guys. Simple lang. Ayan. Marami siyang mga ano, meron din siyang mga souvenirs. Ayan lang. Simple. It's not too big. Andun yung mga airports. Very simple. Hindi siya sobrang laki. I guess because tingnan nyo guys dun, oh. Dun yung nag-e-exit yung mga tao. Ayan. Doon sila nag-exit. Tapos yung dito naman, yung din-wrap up namin si JR. Ayan. Kasi, we said it, so all gates. So, yung iba pumapasok na. Nandyan yung ano. Yung din wrap up namin siya, dyan siya pumasok, doon na yung security. So yeah, yan lang guys. Simple lang, hindi siya sobrang laki. May nagsha-shopping na bata doon. Someone shopping. Huh?
Look at this, Dad. That's a cool man.
I know. Nagsha-shopping si Jason. But anyway, that's it for now. I can't wait to see Kuya because I don't see him for 5 months. I mean, he's enjoying it over there, guys. Yung lugar na pinuntahan niya, doon sa Spain, Madrid. I think Madrid yun. Hindi ko kasi ma-memorize lahat yung mga kinukwento niya because so many. Sabi niya, train access, pagbaba niya na doon na yung train access niya, sasakay siya like 3 hours tapos nasa ibang lugar na siya agad. Yan. So ang dami kong marami siyang pinuntahan. The nice thing about it, may hindi niya kailangan mag-drive. I think sabi niya nobody really own a car over there kasi doon daw sa Spain maraming access ng buses at saka ng mga train. So, that's nice. So, I think that's it. Hintay na. Alam niyo guys, nangangatog kasi ako. Nilalamig ako. Lamigin talaga ako. Suot ko na nga lang t-shirt eh. Kasi sa labas, it's really warm. Pagdating dito, syempre, aircon. But anyway, mamaya, magsisave tayo ng ating storage. Baka mamaya maubos na naman yung storage. Diyan tayo guys, next year papasok. Oh, sige na guys, mamaya ulit. See, sabi ko sa inyo guys, naka-t-shirt lang ako. Pero nilalamig pa ako. Ito yung bathroom dito sa loob ng airport. Simple lang. Simple lang siya. Simple lang, di ba? Pero tama na muna. By the way, guys, yung airport dito sa Indianapolis, hindi siya international. Kaya maliit lang nga siya. Yeah, I just wanna clear that up. Yeah. Kaya kung nakikita nyo, tignan nyo yung ano niya, yung airport. See, huh? Oh, yeah. Oh, kita nyo, it's not that big. Small lang siya. Kasi, ano lang siya yung... What do you call this airport? Huh? International airport siya. Pero yung ano lang siya guys, yung maliit lang siya. Kasi, ang ginagawa namin dito, from our house to Indianapolis, ano lang siya. Okay, from the house in here, tapos dito kami mag-check-in from here to Indianapolis. Bagsak namin dun sa Detroit. Yung Detroit, dun talaga yung malalaki, yung international. Yun talaga yung malaki. Yeah. I guess, yun yung diferensya. I forgot na itong airport na pala na to, hindi siya yung talagang, what do you call that one? Yung malalaking aeroplano. I'm sorry. I give you guys, anong tawag nun? Maling kaalaman. Okay. Yeah, kasi sabi ko, ang liit-liit lang. Siyempre nga pala, kaya siya maliit. Ngayon ko lang na-realize. Kaya siya maliit kasi, ano lang siya dito guys, yung maliliit na aeroplano. Parang, yung sa Pilipinas, parang, what you call that, domestic flight. Parang ganun lang kaliit. Kaya yung mga aeroplano nandito, mga small lang siya. Kasi, from here to Indianapolis to Detroit, or from here to Indianapolis to Chicago, it's a less than an hour flight lang siya. Mga 45 minutes, or let's say like less than an hour, mga ganyan. Tapos pagdating namin doon sa Detroit, or doon sa Chicago, na-transfer na naman kami, yun na yung pinakamalaki. Yun yung malaking aeroplano na from Detroit, let's say Detroit na lang, Detroit to Nagoya, Japan. Those are like 14 hours flight, if I'm right. 13 or 14 hours flight. Ayan. Tapos, sa Nagoya, Japan to Philippines na. It's like 4 hours. But anyway, I just wanna clear that guys na maliit. It's because, lang siya guys, yung maliit lang siya na airport. Ayan. Kasi baka mamaya binigyan ko kayo ng wrong info. Ang hirap na magbigay ng info. Ayan yung guys, paalis na yung aeroplane isa. Hopefully, it's our turn next time. Malay mo, di ba? Dapat guys, kami, papunta. Ang hirap kausap, bulol. Dapat, talaga, uuwi kami this year, 2025. Kaya lang yung, yeah. Is it pretty soon?
Yeah,
okay. Si Kuya, si JR daw, yung aeroplano daw, supposed to be pretty soon, lalanding. Kung makuha natin yun ng video, that would be nice. But anyway, ano ba yung kinukwento ko? Nakalimutan ko na. Yes, we're supposed to go back home in the Philippines 2025. Kaya lang, yung nag-apply ako ng vacation ko, syempre mawawala ako ng 1 buwan. Kasi sinusulit namin guys, pag nagbabakasyon kami sa Pilipinas, sinusulit namin ng 1 month. Kasi nga naman, minsan lang tayo uuwi sa Pilipinas, kaya kailangan sinusulit na natin. Hindi ako na-aprobahan guys. Yeah, so sabi ko, I guess it's not meant to be. May umiiyak dun. Joke lang. Yeah, I told to my husband, I guess it's not meant to be. So, this year, December pa lang magpo-file na ako ng vacation. Kasi ang rules sa amin sa trabaho, guys, hindi pwede na magkakatrabaho kayo sa isang linya tapos 3-4 na taong magbabakasyon. Hindi yun pwede kasi paano nagagana yung linya? Paano nagagawa ng parts kung maraming taong wala, di ba? So, rules is the rules. We have to respect that. But anyway, hopefully next year and hopefully and hoping that you guys still watching my video para masubaybayan nyo naman ang aming journey sa Pilipinas. Wow! Where? Oh my gosh. Tingnan natin. Oh, alis na yung ano. Aeroplane. Where's the one that you talking about? There's one? No, that's the one leaving.
No, leaving. There's one on the sky.
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung sinasabi niya. Meron dong isa what? Oh my God. I don't know why guys, but palagi talaga akong nabubulo, nakakaasar. American Airlines. Finally guys, nakaland na rin yung kanyang eroplano. O sinara na yung gate doon. Gate ba yun? May nagsara na doon. Anyway, finally, bumaba na yung eroplano niya. Yung nakita natin kanina, siya yun. At syempre, mahaba pang proseso yan. Kung saan pa, Sa bagay, hindi naman masyadong matagal kasi kukunin naman yung lagahe niya dun sa baba. Hindi naman dito kukunin doon na yun. So, madali na lang. May mga lumalabas na mga tao na guys. So, there's a few people that getting out. People getting out now. So, malapit na yan si, JR. Tignan natin kung nandun si JR. Oh yeah.
This is go. So this is the first exit. So there's economy should be last.
Ayan, may lumalabas na guys. Hinihintay lang namin We're just waiting for JR. Hopefully, dito siya lumabas. Baka mamaya dito kami naghihintay. Natapos nandun pala siya lalabas. So, we'll see. We see him now. He's getting closer. He's here. I wonder where he is now.
Yeah, go somewhere with the.
Oh, he's. Hi, Kuya. Say hi, Kuya.
Hola, hola.
Hola, hola.
Soy de los Estados Unidos.
Oh my God.
I don't know what's up, bro. I
Yeah?
did because in Europe is healthy.
Healthy. Meet my Kuya. Sabay ganun eh. And anyway, we are now getting our parang ours yung luggage niya.
Extra 100 though? Oh shit. It was either $100 or
Oops. difference.
That's it. The duffel bag. Good na ka eh.
Yeah, kain pa. Anyway, that's all for now, guys. Meet JR, my oldest son.
No, hello.
Hello. Kayo, let them ano daw, sample daw in Spanish. Kamusta kayo, kamusta kayo mga Pilipino? Okay. So, hold on daw. Teka lang, isipin na muna niya.
I can say ¿qué tal vosotros?
See you guys next year.
Eh?
See you guys next year, Pilipinas.
I'm under pressure now. How's the will go on your program now?
Alright. That's all for now, guys. Thank you.
I picked out that shirt you're wearing right now.